What's up, my people? Welcome back to Luziro Media TV, where we dey bring update to you as e dey hot, no be small thing. Onyechi Ikpeazu, Peter Obi lawyer don come out talk say the case na small case, say e go bring back Peter Obi mandate. And una know say Ademola Adeleke na the man, the same son Onyechi Ikpeazu na help am win the court case, no be small thing. So obedient, make una get ready to see the victory of Mazi Peter Obi according to wetin san talk. I go like drop the video for una make una watch as e dey go. Many interviews wey dem don do san, e don plenty, but I go drop one of the interviews make una watch as e dey go. No be small thing dey happen for politics, so you know, say as the thing take happen before, now as the election finish, where dem tell some people, make if you be Igbo make you no vote, if you are not voting for this particular party make you no vote. So that kind of thing no suppose be like that. Make una watch the video first, make una hear wetin Sam has to say. Thank you very much.
Sir, the
correlations with Osun State.
Sir, the obedient are actually hopeful. They are actually hopeful, and they believe that God's grace is upon you to bring justice to this land and the continent. We are here, we are in the court, guys. This is our lead counsel, a father, a mentor, a mover, a shaker. Guys, don't be scared. This is the man behind the lion, the emperor, the conqueror. So guys, don't be scared. By the grace of God, please, let's say hi to them.
As a matter of fact, you know, we have a very traditional profession. Yes. The oldest lawyer in the team is the leader of the team. Now, the oldest lawyer in our team now, in terms of the year of elevation to SAN, is Liviuzo. So Liviuzo is actually the leader of the team. Our Carlo is supporting him, and I'm also supporting him. So we're all working together, but in terms of who will take the ultimate decision.
Guys, you can see how humble our leader is. So humble, so unassuming. Sir, we love you. Obedient across the whole world love you. And we are praying for you for utterance from above. Thank you very much, sir. Obedient, see you on Wednesday on the 17th.
17th,
yeah. Thank you.
So what happened in Osun is going to happen.
Amen.
By the grace of God.
Amen.
We ask the Lord give you more wisdom. And we know people like you cannot be bribed. That's the good thing about it.
So he's a contented man.
Yes, we know you are a man who is out to ensure that, you know, Nigerians get what is rightfully theirs.
Justice.
So it is the justice we've been fighting for.
Yes,
and we believe with the likes of you and Barrister Libby, SAN, and the rest of the team, we hope and we pray that God gives you wisdom, and we want you to all know that the people are behind you. Because the voice of the people is the voice of God.
Yes, exactly.
Thank
you very much. I'm from Borno, she's from Benue, Cross River, Delta, everywhere. Nigeria, Kogi. We're all here. This is Nigeria. We're all here. Okay. But your cap needs some. It's okay.
Welcome back to Luziro Media TV as e dey hot. This is Tujaja aka Okporokompo Tompo. One no be small thing, no. Una don watch the update now, see as the thing take happen. So make we dey hope say obedient people will be obedient. I hope say una dey enjoy the wetin san talk. Say make una dey pray too, so that everything go work out for people will be obedient. So na so the team be. So other people will still dey support other parties. Make una still dey pray for una own too, so that everything go work out. As for me, I don't know where I belong to. Wetin I want na anybody wey go make Nigeria better, na wetin we want. Simple as that. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for following. Thank you very much for watching to this extent. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.